Uniglobe Travel Center is the most trusted home for serious travel advisors. They are a highly respected host agency that has been supporting travel advisors for over 29 years. Not only do they supply the tools and technology you need to operate your business, but they also have incredibly knowledgeable and caring support staff to guide you through every step of your professional journey. They are a proud member of the Virtuoso Network, which enables their advisors to have expanded access to the luxury travel market and the industry's top marketing resources. Uniglobe's dedication to its advisors has cultivated the most productive and experienced advisor business partners in the hosted industry. In addition to supporting their existing advisors, Uniglobe has made a commitment to help new advisors enter the travel industry and provide in-depth instruction on how to start an agency from scratch. They've also partnered with the American Society of Travel Advisors, ASTA, for additional access to education and networking opportunities. This relationship provides industry recognition and credibility to new and seasoned business owners alike. Over the last 14 years, Uniglobe has built the most comprehensive introductory program for new travel advisors, called Mentor You. Mentor You provides 3 months of virtual one-to-one and small group cohort coaching that covers business planning and setup, sales and marketing, preferred suppliers, booking technology, and itinerary planning. It is facilitated by 3 experienced travel agency professionals with a diverse depth of experience. Uniglobe doesn't just show you how to be a successful travel advisor, but also how to be a successful business owner and thrive in this exciting world of travel. Uniglobe is dedicated to its mission to inspire and cultivate the most productive travel advisors through genuine relationships and unmatched support. For more information, visit www.uniglobetravelcenter.com.